Today we're going to learn some cricket terms in Te Reo Māori, which we call kirikiti. If you didn't know, I actually autaua or commentate cricket. A key word is patu or bat. This is one of the kaipatu or batsman's main pieces of equipment. He also needs krapu or gloves, a pōtai maro, helmet, pads, ārai, and most importantly, I reckon, a pauaka or box. The bowler is known as a kai epa, and the key equipment he needs is a poro or ball. Epa is the word for bowl. Another word is wiketi, which is wicket in Te Reo Māori. Players run between wickets after they hit the ball. To run is oma. This word for run can be applied to all types of running. Not that I do a lot of that anyway. Another important term is umpire or kaiwawao. He or she makes sure my epa bowl isn't wide. Boundaries in cricket are either scored as 6 or 4. 6 and 4s are pretty simple. We already learnt these ones in our counting lesson. 6 is ono and 4 is wha. The final term is out, which is waho. That is the end of our lesson on cricket terms in Te Reo Māori. And he's waho. He's out.